Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today the wait is finally completed. We're diving significant into the much-expected uncover of the 2025 Bentley Central Area GT. This prominent, fabulous visit has been a picture of excess and execution for some years. In the latest accentuation promises to be out-and-out exemption of the Central Area GT frame remains rapidly obvious. It's an exhibit of Bentley's eternal arrangement language anyway. Look ever closer, track down inconspicuous refinements, then lift its general look. The headlights, additionally tail lights, incorporate psyche bogling nuances, showing Bentley's imaginative future. Furthermore, drawing inspiration from the EXP 100 GT thought vehicle, it's an exquisite blend of heritage. Besides front design, as of now we ought to talk about what's really significant: the power downpour. And support yourselves in light of the fact that the 2025 Central Area GT embraces the up and coming time of execution, while specific stay hush pieces of tattle point towards moderate module cross variety structure like the Venta and flying nudge cross varieties. Imagine a blend of a solid V6 engine and an electric motor conveying a normal 536 draw. This implies aiding speed increment while restricting environmental impact. Hits a common advantage for the people who want both execution and reasonability. Clearly, some might incline toward a more ordinary strategiology. Don't stress, mumbles suggested VA decision may still be open for those looking for the pure surge of a gas fuel engine. Step inside the hotel and plan to be enveloped in a desert nursery of unrivaled excess. Be these prominent craftsmanship turns into the mind-boggling concentration and vision. The best cow stowaway, critically sewed together, making the sanctuary of comfort. Also, style W exterior upgraded warm tones. What's more, a bit of refining water while each surface transmits flawless listing. The 2025 Central Area GTS, and essentially richness that reliably organizes. Extreme frontline advancement, anticipated driver focused infotainment structure featuring a higher goal show. Also, natural control and arrangement of versatile features will allow you to alter your driving experience, making every trip an extension of your own style. The 2025 Central Area GT isn't just a vehicle. That clarification addresses the summit of English auto inheritance, a mix of progression and custom. Whether you strive after exciting execution, unrivaled luxury, or an commitment to a sensible future, the new Central Area GT assurances to follow through on all fronts. While the authority conveyance date is still TBA, Bentley has promised us it's coming later in 2024. State for extra refreshes as we end closer to experiencing this auto shortstop off for eye to eye. In the meantime, let us in on your perspectives in the comments underneath. What animates you for the most part about the 2025 Central Area GT? Would you pick the hybrid decision, harsh, stick with a work of workmanship V8? Hit the like button and purchase into the channel for truly surprising vehicle content appreciation. For going alongside us today, gratitude for observing.